Hello friends, welcome back to Oracle PL SQL programming. In the previous videos, we have discussed on the DDL or data definition language. That is, we have created, modified the table along with the rules of validation using constants. Let's check what is the meaning of DML or data manipulation language. The statements or commands in SQL by which we can insert, update, delete any record inside a table is categorized into the DML or data manipulation language. Add new rows or records to a table. When we want to add a new row or record or tuple into a table, we use the DML insert command. Modify existing rows in a table. Using the update DML command, we can modify or update the existing record. Remove existing rows from a table. Using delete keyword or command, we can delete the existing record. Multiple DML statements performing a logical task is called transaction. If in a single block you perform the number of DML activities all together, you may call it as transaction. Use commit command to save the changes. During transaction, if we want to save the changes, we use commit. Use rollback command to undo the changes. And if we want to roll back the transaction, we go for the rollback command. Now let's check which are the basic commands categorized under DML. Insert. Insert command is used to add new record. Update. Update command is used to update or modify any existing record, obviously depending on the operator we are using. Delete. Delete command is used to delete the records. If some conditions are passed, some selected records would be deleted. Otherwise, all the records would be deleted. Merge. Merge is a combination of insert and update. With some conditions satisfying, it insert the value and updates records. And moreover, for merge to execute, at least two tables are required. So that is the introduction to the DML or data manipulation language. From the next videos, we would work on individual DML commands, that is insert, update, delete and merge.